मिट्टी की ये जुबान है मुझसे दूर मीलों दूर, पर ये दिल है कि चख रहा है उन्हीं अल्फाजों का नूर नूर और नूर नूर और
दूर कितना भी जा, इस जुबान से दूर ना जा पाओगे। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
I would like my video journalist Pramod to show you the visual exactly how the hospital is and actually what was the condition of the hospital. These are the oxygen cylinders, almost 10 to 12 oxygen cylinders are kept here. These oxygen cylinders have completely blocked the staircase, only one staircase which was there in the hospital, and the entry of the hospital was from another gate. And let me tell you, I'll ask my camera person Pramod to show you, and we'll zoom the visual that there was no emergency exit in this hospital, and that is one of the foremost reason why when these oxygen cylinders exploded, at that time the entire hospital caught fire and there was no way that the infant could be rescued from the hospital, and the owner and the doctor on duty at that time, Dr. Akash, ran away. Exactly 30 to 35 minutes time the hospital doctor and the owner had that time to rescue the infants who were there in the neonatal care. And let me show you, this is a two-story building. If you'll clearly see, there's a new baby care hospital. The two-story building, the first floor had reception and also the care, the NSIU where the babies, the infants were kept, and on the second floor there was a neonatal care where the infants who had the breathing problem, they were kept in the hospital. So if you will see, there's only one staircase, and that staircase too was blocked because of these cylinders, the oxygen cylinders. And in a thorough checking by the police officials and the fire department, it has come to notice that these oxygen cylinders were being refueled here only. Almost 12 to 15 fire life cylinders were kept at that time here, and the refilling work was being done. And there's a nozzle also, and with nozzle we can get an idea that the refilling work of the fire cylinder was being done here. And at that time and at that time there was a vehicle here, which we have got to know through our sources. There was a vehicle, and at 10:29 p.m. 10:29 p.m. the fire, the electric spark actually blew, and after half an hour 5 cylinders out of 15 exploded, and that led to the massive fire in this neonatal hospital care. And right now you can look at the situation, how congested is this hospital. According to our reports, according to the report from the fire officials and the police, which clearly tells us that there was no fire extinguisher, there was no safety preparedness was there in the hospital, there was no water sprinkler. In fact, the two extinguisher which were inside the hospital, they were not working at all. In fact, the fire NOC was also not taken. This entire residential complex, the entire residential zone, and in this residential zone, this building was converted into the hospital.